Today, we're going to talk about one-step equations. The first problem that we're going to work with is -7 equals b minus 3. Now, in any problem, we want to isolate the variable. And so what that means is we have to do the inverse of operations in order to isolate things. So for example, we have -3, and I want to get the -3 to the other side so that b is by itself. Okay, but I can't simply subtract it to the other side because that won't cancel the -3 on this side. So we have to do the opposite or the inverse. So I'm going to, in a different color to make it clearer, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. By adding 3 to both sides, -3 and +3 will cancel out. And then over here, we get a value of -4 equals b. Now last week we talked about the symmetric property, so I could also say b equals -4. Either way works, but like I said, sometimes we just like the variable first. That's our first problem. Let's try the next. M plus 8 equals -14. Okay, again, we want to cancel or move whatever is with the variable so that we can isolate it. So right now we have +8, and so in order to get it to the other side, we have to do the opposite. So we're going to subtract 8. So now we have m equals, they're both negative, so we're going to combine them together, and we get -22. Number 3, -12 equals -11 plus k. So in this scenario, we want to isolate k, so we're going to do the opposite of -11, so we're going to add 11. Now this creates that pair that cancels out, and we're left with -12 plus 11, which is -1, equaling k, or if you want to rewrite it with symmetric property, k equals -1.